On Ninamag, this device has scored a score of 62.3 FPS, which is quite a decent score, I would say, and this is one of the best score you can get. In terms of multimedia performance, this device can play high definition games, but you need to have storage for the same, because this device has limited internal storage, which is approximately 4 GB, out of which you get around 2 GB. And in that particular storage, if you actually want to install some high definition games, you will need to first of all insert an SD card inside, because this device will give you that error, because it gave us this error when we tried to install the Frontline Commando D-Day, which is approximately 300 MB, and Blood and Glory, which is also approximately 300 to 400 MB. And in that case, it actually gave us this error that you cannot install these games unless you insert an SD card. And so we have set the phone at full brightness to show you the viewing angles. So viewing angles are pretty good on this device. When you take a look from different extreme angles, it is good, decent enough. When we talk about the application, these are all the application you will get pre-installed. When it comes to the application, majority of the application which will come pre-installed are going to be from Google only. There are some application coming pre-installed on this device apart from Google, which is coming from Flipkart, because this device is going to be available through Flipkart for sale. When we take a look over these applications, as you can see, we have all the Google application which are being promoted with this phone. So Google has plans to promote their own application. You don't even find the gallery, which is normally there on any Android phone. You have photos over here, and you will have to have use photos to actually see all the photos which you have on your device, or you can actually take a look over the photos which you have on the Google Drive. In this case, this is how it will work. You will not have the gallery application, which you might miss. So again, you will have to use the Google application. There is also no file manager which will come pre-installed on this device, so you will have to go to Play Store, and you can actually easily get a free file manager like this one. So in order to browse contents over the folders which we have on the device, you need to go and install a file manager. When it comes to installing high definition games again you can install, but you need to have storage for the same. So as you can see, we are right now playing a high definition video from our channel to show you the viewing angles and the audio quality of this device. So when it comes to the video is actually high definition video, which is playing at 480p, not at high definition quality. So high definition videos can be played on this device, but again, as of now, this video, which is a high definition video, is being played at 480p because the high definition resolution of that video is not supported on this one. However, you can play high definition videos on this device by using third-party video players like MX Player. And let me just show you the viewing angles now. So this is how the viewing angle will look like when you take a look over this device from different extreme angles. And if you place it like this on a table, the sound will get muffled as it happens. So as it has already happened now, as you can see, the sound gets muffled. Loudspeaker is actually at the back side, which does get blocked or muffled when you place the device like this on a table while you are watching a video. So the sound will be different, and you might accidentally block the loudspeaker at times as well. If you hold it right, you can actually amplify the sound. The loudness from the device is pretty loud. This is something which I really like. So the loudspeaker is pretty loud, but it will get muffled because it is at the back side on this device. But apart from that, this device has pretty good viewing angles, and the video playback is again supported at high definition at 720p, but 1080p videos, all of them may not get played, but you can play some of them using MX Player again with the help of hardware and software decoding. We have the model number, which is Spice MI498. When we talk about the processor, we have ARM V7 processor on this device, clocked at 1.3 GHz. It is a quad-core CPU, and as we already told you, it is MediaTek 6582. So it is not running on Qualcomm chipset, which we got the information from someone, but it is not correct. Anyways, the GPU on the device is Mali 400 MP GPU, and this GPU is pretty good to play some good games, some high definition games as well, provided you have storage for the same. We have 6-axis accelerometer sensor, proximity sensor, light sensor, gyroscope sensor. We have magnetic field sensor as well, rotation vector, gravity sensor, and linear acceleration sensor as well. So in terms of sensors, this device has good number of decent sensors which are normally required in day-to-day usage for different applications and games. When we talk about multi-touch capability, this device supports around 10-point multi-touch, which is again a very good thing.